What if I told you that the future of the skies, the future of transportation, and even the future of commerce is being shaped right here in Canada? Yes, you heard it right. This is the story of UTM Canada, a pioneer in the world of unmanned traffic management. Imagine a sky filled with drones, each buzzing away on their own mission, delivering packages, inspecting infrastructure, even aiding in emergency services. It sounds like a scene from a science fiction movie, right? But this is the reality that UTM Canada is making possible. UTM Canada embarked upon this journey with a clear vision: to revolutionize the way we use the skies. And it's safe to say they have been successful. They have not only transformed the Canadian airspace, but have also left an indelible mark on the global stage. In the beginning, there was chaos. Drones were new, exciting, but unregulated. UTM Canada stepped in, bringing order to the skies. They developed systems that could track, manage, and safely coordinate the flight paths of thousands of drones. They became the invisible traffic light in the sky, ensuring each drone reached its destination safely. Over the years, UTM Canada has continued to innovate, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They've developed advanced AI systems, integrated with weather forecasting, and even made it possible for drones to talk to each other, all in the name of safety and efficiency. But this is not just about technology. UTM Canada has also played a crucial role in shaping policy, working with regulators to ensure that this new frontier of aviation is safe for everyone. They have been instrumental in creating a framework that has been adopted not just in Canada, but around the world. As we look to the future, the role of UTM Canada becomes even more significant. With the increasing number of drones in the sky, the need for effective traffic management is paramount. And who better to lead the way than UTM Canada? So, as you see a drone buzzing past your window, delivering a package, or helping in a search and rescue operation, remember the invisible hand guiding it safely on its journey. That's UTM Canada, shaping the future of our skies, here in Canada and around the world. In conclusion, UTM Canada is not just a company, it's a revolution. A revolution in the way we use the skies, a revolution in transport, and a revolution in commerce. With UTM Canada, the future is not just in the skies, the future is the skies.